Hello everyone, take a sheet like this and draw the lines using the green color cream on it. Different lines, we will show the different types of it like this. Use the nozzles of different, or you can just use one nozzle and draw the different types of lines. Draw the spiral lines. Here we are showing you different types of lines. You can decorate it over the cake one by one. Now fill the white color cream on the top of it. Outline it in the same manner as shown in the video. Draw different patterns using the same nozzle. You can decorate your cakes in different ways in the same way as shown in the video, and your patterns will look very beautiful on the top of the cake. Draw the lines on the sides and it's done. Next, take a cake and then fill half of the cake using the red color cream like this. Draw the lines. Now draw the white color spiral lines on the top of it. After that, we will decorate it from the sides by drawing the spiral lines on the sides like this. After that, make the eyes, nose and mouth of the Santa Claus, and your Santa Claus theme cake will be ready. Next, take a white color cake and then draw the lines on the sides of the cake like this. Now on the top of it, using green color cream, draw the frill lines like this. Now outline it using red color cream. Now draw the bells, socks or different Christmas items on the cake on the sides, and your Merry Christmas theme cake is ready. Next, take a cake and then outline on the sides of it using white color cream. Now pour the melted cream or the chocolate on the sides so that it melts it out. Now we will draw the dots on the sides of the cake. Now put another dot over it again and again and make the snowman like this. Now take a stand and make the Christmas tree like this. Put the green dots and fix it on the sides of the cake and it's ready. Next, use the green color cream to make the triangle shape like this. Now make a smooth base. Now make the designs on the sides as shown in the video. Now we will make its face using brown color cream like this. Make its nose like this, putting the white dots and the pink dots. Spread it using the spatula. Make its eyes. Now put the dots on the nose. Make its ears on the sides using white color cream like this. Put a bow on the top. Make its legs like this. And your cute bunny theme cake or cream decoration is almost ready. I hope you liked it. You can put the bow on the top and it's done. Next, take a cupcake and make the design on it like this. Put the cone and then put the dots to make the cactus tree or the beautiful Christmas tree. It's ready. Thanks for watching our video.